Hi, in this video I will show you how to replace a key fob to your Citroen Xsara Picasso. Now let me undo this makeshift fix that I did for my own key. This is the original Citroen key. I just used some piece of cork and a piece of plastic there to replace the buttons that were basically worn out. To open the key, you just need to insert a tool in there and pry it open. And then it will reveal a electrical board here, a circuit board with a battery, which is easily removable. As you can see, it will detach very easily. There's no screw to hold it in place. Now, a small note here, I found on the internet two type of key fobs, the one on the right with the screw and the one on the left without the screw. For my specific case, I used the one on the left without the screw. Now, in order for me to detach the metal bar, I needed to pry to bend it at an angle, just like that, using a lot of strength, I must say. It's stuck in there very well. And now you need to put it back, and also that operation needs a lot of strength and pressure, so I used a piece of wood just to help myself. There you go. Just like that. You need lots of strength. Now it sits well, it's not perfectly flush with the new key fob, but it's okay with me. It's fine. In this step I'm removing the transponder from the old key fob, and I'm placing it in the new key fob using some glue tack, some sticky tack here. You can use any sticky material as long as it's not strong glue, because you may want to remove the transponder in the future. It is very important that the transponder stays firmly in place, because if it moves away from its own place only a few millimeters, it may cause your car not to start. So beware of that. Now that we have our transponder in place, we just need to put our circuit board back into its new home. There you go. And we put the lid back, and we close the key fob, and we have a new key. Now I'm just gonna check that the transponder doesn't rattle, and that's it. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.